shadows and reflection. We see so many objects around us. On the way to school, we see things like buses, cars, cycles, trees, animals, and sometimes flowers. How do you think we see objects? Think of the same places at night when we see it was completely dark. What will you see? Suppose you go inside a completely dark room, are you able to see any object in the room? But when you light a candle or a torch, you can see the object present in the room. It's not it with the
But Sinner did not take.
light helps us object.
Okay, wait.
Torch
Wait, Ansh. बेटा, wait when full stop and comma will come in the sentence. Okay, please wait for some time. कुछ देर के लिए आप wait करके तब बोलो आगे. रुक के. Stop. ठीक है, stop for some time then speak. And it's isn't it. ये जो word आपने पढ़ा is not it, it's isn't it. ठीक है? And fluently एकदम speed में पढ़ते नहीं जाना है. Nivesh Singh, start reading. Next paragraph. The torch bulb.
The torch bulb is an object that gives out light of its own. The sun is another familiar object that gives its own light. During the day, its light allows us to see objects. Objects like the sun that give out or emit light of their own are called nucleus objects. What about objects like a chair, a painting, or a shoe? We see these when light from a luminous object like the sun, a torch, or electric light fall on these and then travel toward our eyes.
It falls on these and then travels. S होता है तो उसमें S बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है? So the chapter name is light, shadows, and reflection. So we see so many objects around us. Okay, you have seen table, chair, projector, tripod, stand, books, pen, pencil, bag. There are too many things which is present around us. Okay, so on the way to school we see things like buses, cars, cycles, trees, animals, and sometimes flowers. When we are coming to school, when we reach school, then we see different things like buses, cars. ठीक है, कई सारे vehicles आपको दिखते हैं. Animals भी दिखते हैं, trees भी दिखते हैं, flowers भी दिखते हैं. So how do you think we see objects? So कैसे दिखते हैं? Because of light. Because of light we see different objects. ठीक है? So think of same places at night time. If it were completely dark, what will you see? अगर completely dark रहेगा night में, आपको पता है it completely dark. So how can we see different objects which is present around us? So suppose you go inside a completely dark room, are you able to see any objects in the room? If you are going to any dark room and if you want to find out some items from that room, so is it possible to find that object from that dark room? It's not possible. Without light, it's not possible for us to find the item which we want. So, but when you light a candle or a torch, you can see the objects present in the room, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when you light a candle in the dark room, or if you light a torch in that dark room, so you are able to see the object which you want.
Yes.
Okay? So, without light, things cannot be seen. Light helps us see object. Okay? Without light, we cannot see the object which you want to find out from that dark room. If you want to find the items from the dark room, we just light a torch or candle to see the objects. Okay? So light helps us to see the object which is present in the room or anywhere else. Okay? So the torch bulb is an object that gives out light of its own. ठीक है, torch bulb जो होगी वो light अपने आप से देती है. Sun is another family object that gives its own light. सन की खुद की लाइट होती है. ठीक है, हम जाके सन को जगाते हैं कि आप जाओ लाइट जलाओ. लाइट. Yes. So sun emits that gives its own light. ठीक है. sun gives its own light. During the day its light allow us to see object. At daytime पे sunlight help us to see the object, ठीक है, which is present around us. Objects like sun that gives out and emit light of their own are called luminous object. ऐसे objects like sun that gives out light of their own are called luminous objects. ठीक है, so luminous objects are those objects which emit or which gives out its own light. ठीक है, so that is called luminous object. Is it clear? Non-luminous which
like stream.
which doesn't
Ma'am,
give
like
out
planet.
its own light.
Ma'am, like planets.
ठीक है, हाँ planets it doesn't give out its own light. ठीक है, और
Moon,
luminous
stars,
में और
ma'am,
example
celestial
है
bodies.
moon, ठीक है,
Celestial
stars
bodies
की
में
light
star
होती
भी
है
आता है,
और
sun भी आता है.
sun हो
Celestial
गए.
bodies, ma'am.
These are the example of luminous
Celestial
object. ठीक है,
मैम सन मून कौन सी ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम करोगे? तो उसके अंदर खुद की हीट एंड लाइट नहीं होती ना.
sun होगा sun. ठीक है, only sun
मैम मून नहीं हो सकता मैम, मून तो नहीं उसके पास खुद है।
and star is a non-luminous object.
मैम मून तो सन से लाइट लेता है।
Yes बेटा, moon, stars and planets, ठीक है, ये सारे आपके क्या होते हैं, नॉन ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. ठीक है, ल्यूमिनस मींस व्हिच emits its own light, which gives its own light.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that is sun. Is it clear? So what about object like a chair, a painting or a shoe? अब ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे कि चेयर हो गए मींस नॉन लिविंग थिंग. We are talking about non-living things. We see these when light from a luminous object like torch, sun or electric light falls on these and then travels towards our eye. How we can see these objects? Just we see that light falls on that object. ठीक है, after that they travels towards our eyes. ठीक है, हम उन्हें लाइट पड़ती है तब हमें वो चीज दिखाई देती है. ठीक है, so luminous and non-luminous, there is a difference between luminous and non-luminous. Luminous objects are those objects which emits its own light, means which gives its own light. ठीक है, that is sun. And non-luminous objects are those objects which do not emit its own light, which does not give its own light. Come,
Ma'am,
ठीक है, for example moon, ठीक है, stars, planets. ठीक है, Vihan start reading.
मैम स्टार में मैम सन भी आता है मैम. मैम स्टार में सन इज
But tell me I'm correct. I said don't say can I may I. I will call you.
The monocubic object is opaque, transparent or translucent in chapter 4. If we cannot see through an object at all, it is an opaque object. If we are able to see clearly through an object, it is allowing light to pass through it and is transparent. There are some objects through which we can see but not very clearly. Such objects are known as translucent. Activity 1. Look around yourself and collect as many objects as you can. An eraser, plastic scale, pen, pencil, notebook, single sheet of paper, tracing paper or a piece of wood. Try to look at something far away. Through each of these objects is light from a far away object able to travel to your eye through any of the objects. Record our observations in a table as shown in table 11.1. We see that a given object or material could be transparent, translucent or opaque depending on whether it allows light to pass through it completely, partially or not at all.
Sit down. Good. Vihan has good reading skills. So, transparent, opaque and translucent object we have discussed in morning class. ठीक है? So, transparent objects are those objects by which we can see clearly. I have given an example that if you go to a shop, if you go to a shop and ask shopkeeper that uncle please give me toffee from this glass jar. So you are able to see the object which is present in the glass jar. Means you can see the object which is present in glass jar. So it means that objects are transparent. Okay, you can see clearly from that glass jar. So वो आपके transparent में आएंगे. Opaque are those objects by which we cannot see clearly, by which light cannot pass through them. ठीक है? That is for example chair, wooden box, metal box. These are the example of opaque objects. And translucent are those objects by which we can see but not क्लियरली, ठीक है, जिससे आपको दिखता है बट क्लियर नहीं दिखता।
वॉल भी हो सकती है, वॉल के बाहर।
हाँ
मैम हो सकती है वॉल।
ठीक है।
हाँ,
ट्रांसलूसेंट
वॉल
ओपेक
opaque.
Let me count.
Ma'am, opaque object allow the light to pass?
Opaque, no, it doesn't allow light to pass through them.
And just
If you
to
want to pass light from this wall या wooden box से light pass करना चाहो तो it's not possible.
Translucent?
Translucent
Not clear.
clearly, ठीक है। A translucent are those objects by which you can see clearly, by which you can see but not clearly, ठीक है, वो आपके translucent हो जाएंगे।
इसमें ये ग्लास लगी, मैम ये ट्रांसपेरेंट है।
हमें बाहर से दिख रही तो ट्रांसपेरेंट, एक फ्रीज ग्लास आती है, ठीक है, वो धुंधली दिखाई देती, क्लियरली नहीं दिखती, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांसलूसेंट, ठीक है, वो ऐसी ग्लास होती है।
Wax paper is also example of translucent.
Yes, paper is also.
Ma'am, butter paper and ground glass.
Yes, beta. There are too many examples of opaque, transparent and translucent. ठीक है? So write extra questions in your copy, spare copy. Rough copy आप लाए होंगे, write extra question. Yes, sir. Write extra questions in your rough copy.
मैम ये को
हाँ, नहीं तो you can write. ठीक है? So first one is
Light.
मैम शायद मैम आपने इसके पहले भी लिए थे।
what are luminous objects? With example, you have to write the definition of luminous object with example. ठीक है? आप उसमें sun लिख देना, like sun. What are non-luminous objects? Give examples.
नहीं पता है मुझे।
Okay. Next question.
Ma'am,
Anshika, write it.
ma'am, please show the screen.
Wait, Pita. What are opaque objects? Give an example. अब ये मत पूछना मैम कितने एग्जांपल थे, यू हैव टू राइट ओनली 2 एग्जांपल्स, गिव 2 एग्जांपल्स, ठीक है, आप ये भी क्वेश्चन करते हो। So you are in 6th class. If you know 2 or 3 examples, you can write.
मैम तीनों क्वेश्चन में 2 एग्जाम।
अरे
Yes,
कोई
बेटा।
भी फिर वही क्वेश्चन कर दिया मैंने। कितना भी example दिया।
जितना भी आपको आता है, you can write. There is no limit.
Limit cross कर सकते हैं।
What are transparent objects? Give examples.
मैम आई हैव रिटन
ठीक है?
ऑल द
And last one, what are translucent objects? Give examples.